friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I'm a Saint Beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm reviewing a viral Amazon outfit. This is not my normal background. I've got trash cans in the background. Not the most elegant, but this is real life. And I still am in my pajamas because I didn't want to get dressed until I got this video. So I wanted to take you guys through this viral Amazon outfit. Pretty much every influencer that I follow on Instagram has like promoted this outfit, has worn this outfit, has said this outfit was amazing. I ended up getting my hands on it and I purchased it in two different colors, a tan and a white, and then an all black. So I want to take you through what my thoughts are, pros and cons, if I would recommend it, particularly for us mid-sized girls. I am a little bit smaller on top and larger on the bottom, so I'm more pear-shaped. So I wanted to take you guys through of whether or not I think it could work for you, what it looks like, my dimensions, and hopefully it will help you if you were thinking about picking up this outfit as well, seeing if it will fit your body type. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so here's the first outfit. Hopefully you guys can see it. So this is the one in black. I did get a medium. So I am normally a medium, like for other things, I usually order a medium on top and a medium bottom. Though I'm a little bit bigger on the bottom, it usually works. And in this one, I feel like it works because it's still oversized. My dogs are in the background, so this is fun. I might have to do a voiceover for this. Okay, so I'm gonna do a voiceover, but I absolutely love the material. It's kind of like a yarn material. It is a little bit see-through, but on your body, you can't see anything. They're a little bit high-waisted and they come like pinch at the bottom. So they're kind of like parachute pants, I guess. So this is the tan and white one. They have different color combinations, and you can see here, the white is not see-through at all. I'm wearing black underwear and you can't see anything. So it really, really is kind of a thick fabric. Here, I kind of mix and match. So I took the black all outfit and kind of mixed them so you can see you can get even more outfit ideas, and they're just super, super versatile. Here's the camel color that I got. Fit is the same. It's all in medium, so they're pretty consistent with sizing. And then here's the all pink. They do have a couple other variations, but I am just loving this outfit, especially for summer, a go-to.